Hysteroscopy. Introduction. Can you point to the uterus?
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. Can you point to the cervix?
Choose one of the following options.
Correct. Hysteroscopy is a common procedure for women and is recommended for several conditions.
Select true or false.
Correct. Hysteroscopies are common procedures for women. They are very safe. Are heart attacks and other anesthesia-related complications common during and after this operation?
Select yes or no.
Correct. Anesthesia is very safe. However, the older you are and the more medical problems you have had, the higher the risks. You should make your anesthesiologist aware of any medical problems you have had in the past, such as heart attacks and lung problems. Are infections very common after surgery?
Select yes or no.
Correct. Infections are not common and serious infections are rare. Though rare, a serious infection may still occur. After a hysteroscopy, sexual pleasure is decreased.
Select true or false.
Correct. Sexual sensation is as pleasurable as it was before the operation.
Thank you for using Explain.